Hello students, we are moving on geometrical construction. Let's consider this example. Construct triangle ABC such that BC is 7 cm, angle B is 60 degrees and angle C is 45 degrees. Measure sides AC and AB and angle A. So first of all, we are going to rule line BC, which is 7 centimeter. So you pick your ruler to rule 7 centimeter. So on my ruler, so this is 7 centimeter. So I will draw 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. Now so this is B and C. 7 centimeter. Now I'm going to construct angle B on 60 degrees. I'm going to construct 60 degrees on B and 45 degrees on C. So to construct 60 degrees, I think you can still remember how to construct our angle 60. So because this is going to be a triangle, I will make my 60 degree face this side. So you pick your compass. I'm going to draw a semicircle. I'm going to start from the end of this line. The end of this line. So I'll now draw a semicircle on it to draw 60 degrees. So this is my semicircle. So that's it. Without expanding it, I'll put the pin of the compass at this point of intersection of this line and the curve. I'll put it here, then I'll strike an arc here. The point of intersection here, I'm going to join it together with the end of this line I've drawn. So that I'm going to join together with the end of the line. So this will give me angle 60 degrees. On this other side also, I'm to construct angle 45 degrees. So to construct angle 45, my angle 45 should face this side of the line because it's going to be a triangle. So it means the pin of my compass, I'm going to place it at the end of the line here to draw a semicircle. So I'll place it here to draw a semicircle without extending it. For me to draw angle 45, I must first of all draw angle 90 degrees. So I will now place the pin of my compass at the point of intersection here to strike an arc. I'll place it here also, or at this point to strike another arc. I will now strike the arc up here, then I'll put it here to strike another arc to give me angle 90 degrees. To give me angle 90 degrees. Now this now gives me angle 90 degrees. It gives me angle 90 degrees. Now I'm going to bisect this angle. I will bisect this angle to give me angle. So this is 90 degrees. I'm bisecting it to give me angle 45 degrees. So this is 90 degrees here. This other side is also 90 degrees. But this side is the 90 degree I needed. It is this side I'm going to bisect to give me angle 45 degrees. So to bisect the angle, You can use any radius of the compass you like. Then I'll place it at the point of intersection of the line here to strike an arc. I'll place it at the point of intersection here also to strike another arc. So the point of intersection here, I'll now join it to the center of the circle. So this now gives me angle 45 degrees. So this is angle 60. This side is what? Angle 45. The triangle I needed is what? This triangle now. So this now give me A. So this side is A. So the question says that B, measure AC. We have to measure line AC, AB, and angle A. We have to measure line AC, AB, and angle A. Now, so to measure line AC, this is my AC. I can either use the ruler, put my ruler there directly to measure it. Start from this side. Line AC. It starts from this point and end there. That's around 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 cent. Or you can use your compass here and extend it to, you get to the end of this line here. You now place it on your ruler. So it should be 6.5 centimeter. So I'm having 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Yes, 6.5 centimeter. Then I want to measure AB also. So I'll put the pin of my at one end of the line and put it at the point of at this other end. Can you see? So you now place it on your ruler. So this is 5.2 centimeter. So my AB is 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. Then we are told to measure angle A. Angle A. To measure angle A, we are going to use a protractor. So the protractor, the center of the protractor will be at this point of A. Then the line of this 0 degree will be on this line to measure the angle. So here I'm having 75 degrees. So my angle A will give me 75 degrees. My angle A will give me 75 degrees. Let's consider another example. Let's consider another example. Construct a triangle PQR, given that PR is 5 centimeter, PQ 4 centimeter, and RPQ is 75 degrees. Measure the third side. Find the other two angles using the protractor. So first of all, I'm going to draw PR, line PR, which is 5 centimeter. I will draw line PR, which is 5 centimeter. So I'm drawing line PR, which is 5 centimeter. So my 5 centimeter first. So this is PR. Line PR which is 5 centimeter. Then my PQ is 4 centimeter. PQ is 4 centimeter. So I'm going to measure PQ 4 centimeter on my ruler. Using the protractor and the ruler and the compass. This is 4 centimeter. So I don't really know where Q should be, but I'm going to place it on P. This P. So you now draw a curve like this. So this is 4 centimeter all through. So this is 4 centimeter. Then angle RPQ is 75. So the angle here should be 75 degrees. So to draw angle 75, how are we going to draw it? Now, first of all, we'll draw angle 90. You will realize that between angle 90, when we are drawing angle 90, we are going to first of all construct angle 60. Then we have 90 in between it. So we are now going to bisect between 60 and 90, that is 30 degrees. You are now going to bisect that 30, making 15. So 15 plus 60 will give us 75. So that's exactly what we are going to do. This is what I mean. First of all, we will follow the process of drawing angle 90 degrees. So you draw your semicircle. You are going to put the pin of your compass at the end of the line here, which is P. So to draw the semicircle, the angle 75 will face this side of this side. So because of it, so you without extending, put the pin of your compass at the point of intersection of this line and this. So you strike the arc here. You know, normally this should be 60. Then we are following the process of drawing angle 90 degrees. So again, the point of intersection here, you strike another arc. Then we are now going to draw a curve, strike the arc up here. I want it to be higher than this arc we have drawn initially. So like that, you place it here also, you strike another arc. So you now join it, the point of intersection, you join it together to this point with a straight line. So this gives us angle 90 degrees. And what do we want to do? We want to draw angle 75 degrees. So normally you realize that angle 75 is 60 plus 15. If you look at what we have drawn here, this one will give us, the intersection here will give us 60. Here, this point will give us what? 90. So between 60 and 90, that is angle 30 degrees, Abi. You now bisect this particular angle here. So 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. So when you bisect this angle here, from this point of intersection here and this point, you are going to bisect it. So it will give you 15, 15. 15 plus 60 will give us what? Angle 75. So we are going to place our compass here at this point of intersection of this curve, and so the point of intersection here, that's the point where we are having 60, angle 60 ends. We strike the arc at this point where angle 90 is. We are going to strike the arc. So we are now going to the point of intersection. You join it together to the center. You can see. So the angle here now give us angle 75 degrees. Now you now realize that if you now measure this 9, we've measure 4 centimeter. This curve is for 4 centimeter. So what we needed here is for the angle angle PQR will now be the point of intersection of this curve here, which is 4 centimeter, and this line, which is 75. Their point of intersection there, you are now going to join it with this R here. So the triangle we are talking about is this triangle now. So this is our Q. So our RPQ is 475. Then PR is 5 centimeter. Then our PQ is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So it will be at the point. So all this give us 4 centimeter. So by the time you join in with this angle 75, so that means from here to here it will be 4. This is 5. So they now said that measure the third side. The third side will be angle QR. Sorry, line QR. Now in QR will now be, you can pick your compass, put it at the end here, and make it touch the point, this angle P here. So when you use it, you now bring it to your ruler to measure. When you bring it to your ruler, so this gives me what? 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. You bring the air to the point 0 here. So this gives me 5.5 centimeter. So you are going to record 5.5 centimeter. Then find the other two angles using the protractor. So you want to know the value of angle Q. Angle Q. What will be the value for angle Q? You place your, this angle Q. You place your protractor, the middle of your protractor at the point here. This line on this last line of 0 on this line. Then to measure the angle. So the point of intersection at the point there. So this angle will give me, this is angle 60. It gave me 60 degrees. So my angle Q is 60 degrees. So let's look for angle R. Angle R. So to look for angle R, so the point of intersection here, I'm going to place it at this point here. This line will now fall on this line that is here. So I'll place it. So I'm having 45 degrees. Angle 45 degrees. Angle 40. So R is 45 degrees. So if you add 60 plus 45 plus 75 to give us 180 degrees. So what you do, make sure the example I did for you, also practice it as I've done. Follow the procedure, follow my explanation to be able to draw your whole, to be able to construct yours. Now, when you have done that, you will now do this work practice on your own. Number 1, construct triangle MNO given that MN equals 60 mm, angle M is 105 degrees, and angle N is 45 degrees. Measure the other sides and the third angle. Number 2, question 2. Construct triangle ABC such that BA is 6 cm, AC 7 cm, and BAC is 120 degrees. Measure the third side and the other two angles. Question 3. Construct an isosceles triangle XYZ given that YZ is 5 cm and XYZ, angle XYZ equals angle XZY, which is what, 75 degrees. So do this on your own. With the knowledge, with the practice of what we have done earlier, I believe you should be able to do it. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.